Here's what I got from Sézane recently. I got some pieces from their archives and some pieces from their permanent line, but not to worry, this is a useful video for you anyway, because the pieces I've got from the archives are all basics, so you're gonna find them anyway. Maybe in other colors, maybe you will even find some restocks from the archive. The first thing I got from the archives was this Betty Cardigan in rosewood. I've talked about the Betty Cardigan extensively on my channel, and if you want more in-depth reviews, you can go back to my older videos. I will link some in the description box or in the cards above my head somewhere. It's a box fit cardigan, 100% merino wool. It comes in different colors and it also has different buttons depending on the colors. Some of them have embroidery on their neckline or on the pockets. The pockets are actually functional, so you can use them if you want to. You can wear it open or closed, and when you wear it open, it kind of looks like a blazer. The rosewood color is so nice. As you can see, it pairs magnificently with a lot of colors, so with white, with blue, with eggplants, with camel, brown, burgundy, green as well. There are a lot of color pairings possible with this cardigan and this color in particular, so I really love it. This cardigan, it fits true to size too small, I would say. I've got it in my usual size L because I like the cropped fit, but actually I should technically go for an XL because of the length of the sleeves. Now the sleeves are actually, you can unfold them so I can wear them longer if I want to, but I also really like the fold, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. Highly recommended to everyone. This is such a staple. Don't be fooled if it's not really on hype, on trend at the moment. This will always be nice and you'll always get some compliments on it. The second piece I got is the Louisa skirt. This exists in other colors as well, but the only one on sale at the archives was this chestnut. Continuing the theme of 100% merino wool, this is 100% merino wool, very elasticated as well, and it has these fake buttons. Let me get closer. So it has fake buttons. These buttons are pretty much the same that they use for the Betty cardigan. They're just a little bit lighter in color. The skirt does have pockets that are functional as well. It has an elasticated waistband, so there's no zipper anywhere, and I just love it. The only thing with the Louisa skirt is that it is a small size. So this is 42 for my usual 42 in Sézane bottoms. I could have gotten away with wearing a 44. Maybe it would have been a better fit for me, but I don't regret it. As you can see in the B-rolls, it just looks stunning with so many colors and so many pieces. And it is for you even if you have wider hips, because it's really a feminine piece and the length is not too short either. At least not for me, because I love mini skirts. So both of these pieces, they exist in a basic line, and even if I got these ones in their archives, maybe there are some restocks of sizes at the moment, and if they're not there, they definitely have them on their permanent line anyway in other colors. Next piece I've got, I haven't got it in the archives, it's the Nelly skirt. It's a mini skirt in leather, 100% leather. I already have this in black and I already reviewed it, so I will link the video in the description box or head. As I said before, I just got it in another color. I've been stalking this wonderful color for months and months since it basically came out, and I bought the black one just because I couldn't find the burgundy one, and I really love the cut. It's an A-line kind of cut, so it's different from the Harlow skirt, which is always made of leather, and the difference is also that it has also the seams on the center of the skirt and also on the waistline. I just love it. A little bit different from what I expected, just because I expected it to be a little bit more on the red burgundy side, but it is an eggplant. I don't know if you can see it because with artificial lighting it doesn't really come across as it does in real life, but it is more of an eggplant kind of color. What more can I say about this skirt that I haven't said yet? I just love the fit. It's so ideal for mid-sized people with larger hips like me, so I highly recommend it. And if you can find this color, you won't regret it. It's so beautiful. Now let's talk about the only thing I ended up returning, which is the Harper dress. Is a merino wool cotton blend dress, and that's one of the most hyped pieces from the Sézane basic line. It is a long dress with a side slit and some buttons. Some of those buttons are fake and some of those buttons are actually real, so you can elongate the slit. It has a high neck and it is very form-fitting, and it's a dress that fits true to size. But is it for everyone, really, as they say? Does it sublimate all body types? I made a whole video dedicated to the Harper dress, so I'm gonna leave you to it. You can watch it here. Subscribe, and until next time, ciao ciao!